Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
One day, when I was in the kitchen garden, I spotted the curry leaves. Now, I decided to make something with it. But before that, health benefits of curry leaf are very important. Along with that, disadvantages of curry leaf. Do stop the slide and go through it in detail. And what did I decide to make with it? Mysore Bonda. Crispy, crunchy, spicy, but prebiotic, antioxidants and vitamins loaded. What better a breakfast than this? And as the sun rose on the next fine foggy morning, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Ignite the darkness of our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. And now, garden fresh green chilies, parsley or cilantro or coriander leaves and ginger along with curry leaves. Now, add all of these to a blender or a grinder along with the soft and supple stems. When added, blend or grind them into a coarse paste and set aside till to be used further. And curd or yogurt. Why never to cook curd or yogurt and how to cook curd or yogurt? Do go through this as we will be using curd in our recipe. Now, fresh curd or yogurt and add it to a bowl. Now, more curd and add it to a bowl and all-purpose flour Or maida.
rice flour, freshly roasted cumin, black or any natural salt, baking powder and add the paste of green chilies, parsley, cilantro and coriander leaves, ginger and curry leaves. Now mix well into a lump-free batter which must be very thick, like a loose and soft dough. Yes, it is a batter, but must be like a loose or a soft dough. That is what is wanted. Now mix and mix well. No, it's too thin. Not at all like a dough. It is a batter. Now add more flour and add more rice flour and mix again into a lumpless, thick dough-like batter. Remember, it has to be lumpless, it has to be thick, like a soft dough, yet it is a batter. Now, let's check. Yes, this is the dropping consistency of the dough-like batter that is required. This is exactly what is wanted. It's done. Now set it aside. Now set up a kadai, wok, skillet or a deep fry pan. Add enough peanut oil to deep fry the Mysore Bondas in. Ensure that the oil is hot enough by adding a small drop of batter. One by one, add the balls of the dough like batter in the hot oil to deep fry. You can add by hand also. I am using a spoon. Now stir to ensure that the bondas do not stick to each other. There you are. They haven't stuck to each other. Now, stir continuously and stir and flip the bondas to ensure that the Mysore bondas are well cooked and equally cooked well on all the sides and become crispy crunchy. Now, beautiful looking, isn't it? It's time to bring them out of the oil. They are done. There you are, looking beautiful, crispy, crunchy Mysore bondas. Now, plate the crispy, crunchy, spicy Mysore bondas and serve the crispy, crunchy and spicy Mysore bondas with the traditional South Indian coconut chutney and chili tomato sauce or with any other sauce or dip or chutney of your choice. And remember to serve the crispy, crunchy, spicy Mysore bondas to all your known, and remember to enjoy and eat yourself too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.